How to log into your Costco ESS Employee Account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Costco ESS Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, Costco Employee website, open it. With that, you will land to the official website of Costco. Costco is known for carrying top quality national and regional brands with a 100% satisfaction guaranteed. The strength of Costco's business model is largely in its simplicity. Costco sells high quality goods at bargain prices to members who pay $60 or more per year for the privilege of shopping there. After you land to the official website, scroll down, you will find this section, Employee Self-Service. Under that, you will find the option of Current Employee Login and Former Employee Login. Head towards the option that you want to log in for. With that, you'll land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials to log into your account. So first you type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Costco ESS Employee Account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.